Hi students, now I am going to teach measurement of large distance. So already we discussed what is length, how will you measure the length. So length is defined as the distance between two points. It is measured by using meter scale, meter tape. For measuring large distance, we using some units, astronomical units, light year, parsec. So what is astronomical unit? The distance between the two planets is measured by astronomical unit with help of radar pulse method. So different types of method is there: triangulation method, radar method, laser pulse method. With help of triangulation method, we used to measure the height of the tree, height of the tower. With help of radar method, with help of laser pulse method, we used to measure the distance between the two planets. So this is the method used to distance but units of measuring larger distance is astronomical unit, light year, parsec. So what is astronomical unit? The mean distance from the center of the sun, center of the earth is called astronomical unit. So see the diagram: sun, earth. In between the center of the sun and earth is called astronomical unit 1 AU. 1 AU stands for astronomical unit. Its value 1.496 in 10 power 11 meter. What is light year? The distance travelled by light in 1 year in vacuum is called light year. Its value 9.46 in 10 power 15 meter. Then parsec. So parsec is the unit of distance of unit. It's used to measure the astronomical object outer side of the solar system. Its value 3.26 light year. So this is the three units for measuring large distance, not for method. So measuring large distance, we used radar pulse method, radio echo method, triangulation method. But units used to measuring large distance, astronomical unit, light year, parsec. So here I gave some larger units in meter. It's a very important one. Everyone should read this data column. Kilometer. So for measuring larger distance, we use kilometer. So 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Kilo means 10 power 3 meter or 1000 meter. One astronomical unit 1.496 10 power 11 meter. Light year 9.467 10 power 15 meter. Parsec PC 3 into 3.08 10 power 16 meter. This is larger units in meter. For measuring smaller units in meter, Fermi F 10 power minus 15 meter, Angstrom A 10 power minus 10 meter, nanometer small n m nanometer 10 power minus 9 meter, micrometer mu m 10 power minus 6 meter, millimeter mm 10 power minus 3 meter, centimeter cm 10 power minus 2 meter. So one more unit is also there, picometer. Picometer means 10 to the power of minus 12 meter. So this is the measuring for larger distance, smaller distance in meters. Measurement of mass. Mass is a property of matter. Matter exists in three states: solid, liquid, gas. So mass is a property of matter. It does not depend on temperature, pressure and location of the body in space. That is the meaning. It remains the same. Does not vary space to place. It does not affect temperature, pressure, location. Temperature applied on the body, mass does not change. Pressure applied on the body does not change the mass. Mass is defined as the quantity of matter contained in a body is called mass. The SI unit of mass is kilogram. Tiny mass of electron. Electron mass 9.11 10 to minus 31 kilogram. The mass of an object is measured by ordinary physical balance, beam balance, two-palm balance, etc. For measuring larger masses like a planet's mass, we use gravitational method. We measure small masses, subatomic, atomic masses, we use mass spectrograph. 1 gram equal to 1 by 1000 into 1 kilogram equal to 0.001 kilogram. 1 milligram equal to 0.00001 kilogram. 1 quintal equal to 100 kilogram. 1 metric ton equal to 1000 into 1 kilogram, 1000 kilogram or 10 quintal. Atomic mass unit. We can measure the mass of electron, proton, neutron. We used special method, atomic mass unit, AMU. 1 AMU is called 1/12 of mass of carbon 12 atom is called atomic mass unit. Next, measurement of time. The time is measured using clock. Time is defined as measure of duration of event and the interval between them. The unit of time second. Larger unit of measuring time 1 day, 1 month, year and millennium. 1 millennium equal 3.16 10 power 9 seconds. The smallest practical unit of time is shake. 1 shake equal 10 power minus 8 seconds. In larger mass is measured by Chandrasekhar limit CSL. 1 CSL equal to 1.4 times the mass of the sun. This is the largest mass measured by Chandrasekhar limit.